So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on advanced options. Now you want to turn this on. Receive updates from the Microsoft products. You want to turn this on. Now you want to go back to Windows Updates. And then you want to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Outlook. Now once you're on this, you want to right click on it and then click on app settings. And then once we're here, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Then you want to click on repair. Wait for this to load. See if that works. If that does not work, you want to click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Once you find this, you want to click on the three dots and then click on modify and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to do a quick repair first. Click on repair. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, you want to do an online repair. Click on repair. See if that works for you. And if that's still not working, then you want to find Microsoft Office. You want to click on the three dots, click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall it. Then you want to scroll down till you find Outlook. You want to click on the three dots, click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall that as well. Then you just want to reinstall it again. That should now fix your problem.